Alright, my friend, so this is the self-discovery process on how to attain a limitless freedom business, okay? Now, basically, all the information that we've covered so far, if you've got to this point, you're probably thinking, like, I don't even know what my niche is. How do I know if my niche is going to work or I need a niche? So this is basically, I wanted to put this in here for you to help you find and finalize your micro niche, okay? And it's really, really important. So I know that people coming through here, they might get to this point and they get stopped by the momentum because they don't have a niche and they don't know what niche to go into. This is going to be a super short video. This information is not my information. I got this off Sid's, who I talked about in the welcome video. And it's called the 5P method, okay? It's going to be a super short video, and I want you to really identify these 5Ps for yourself. And once you've done that there, you're going to have yourself a proper micro niche, which is going to be as targeted to you and your business and needs as it can be, and it's going to be profitable too. So this is the 5P method, okay? So it's how you can find and finalize your micro niche, okay? Using the 5P method that I learned off SIDS. The very first P that you're going to want to identify is you have to have a passion for the long term, okay? So the niche that you're going to go into, because if you're just going to go into a niche just to make money, you're probably not going to stay in it long enough to build something for the long term. So it's important that you choose an industry and topic and passion, something that you're passionate about that you could do day in, day out, teach people about, learn about, become an expert at, and you want to do it for the long term, okay? So the very first P I want you to identify is you want to have a passion for this industry, okay? And the niche, the micro niche that you're going to go into. The second P is you want to identify a problem, okay? Because if you're not solving a problem, you have a hobby, my friend. So the problem that we're solving here in CameronLimitless.com and in the Team Limitless Hub is the education system I feel is broken, okay? Because whenever I was just a kid, I never understood of why someone would go to university and get in all this debt just to get experience at the end of 6 years, okay? And I feel that, yeah, people need to go there to become a doctor and things, but majority of people, they can just go out and get, I feel that they should get experience, just go out and get experience and get a feel for what they're doing, and if that's the right thing for them, rather than going and getting all this debt just to get some experience to end up changing their career or even doing something different at the end of it. And this is what I feel is broken, the education system, and this is what we're fixing in CameronLimitless.com, okay? So if you're not solving a problem, you have a hobby, okay? So you want to identify a problem that you're going to solve, okay? And you want to have a passion for that industry. This third P is the persona. So it has to be specific to a person that you're helping, okay? So you want to have a passion for that industry. You want to identify a problem, okay? And you want to solve that problem for a specific person. So the person that we're solving the problem for is students and working people, okay? And we're going to provide them with a world-class education where they don't have to get huge loans, okay? They don't have to go out and get loans and things like this here to be able to learn how to build their own dream business online, okay? You can do this here. And this is the people that we're helping in CameronLimitless.com. I want you to identify the person that you're going to help and the problem that you're going to solve for them, okay? And you will have a passion for that industry. The fourth P is potential, okay? So you want to have a look at the trends of this market that you're going to go into, this niche, this micro niche that you're going to go into. You don't want to go into a dying industry like, for example, the DVD industry or things like that there. You want to go into an industry that's going to uprise. So online education is on a booming industry which is on the uprise, and this is the industry why what we're in here in Team Limitless. We are in the online education industry, okay? And we're solving the problem that the education system is broken because people have to get big loans to go 6 years to get some experience in what they want to do. Why not take out a huge loan, not have to pay a huge amount of money and get experience faster rather than later, okay? Especially with the self-education and what we're teaching you here in Cam Limitless and inside the Inner Circle Team Limitless Hub is self-education, which will make you a fortune, okay? Compared to regular education, which will make you a living, okay, my friend? And this, you want to identify your industry and your micro niche. Is your micro niche in a dying industry? Because you definitely don't want to go into build something for the long term that's gonna die in the next few years. You want to identify something that's on the growing industry, on the uprise, okay? And you can step into that and become an authority, okay, my friend? Then the last and final one is payment, okay? And you want to identify, are people willing to pay money to solve that problem, okay? And with that online education one, people are paying huge amounts of money to get educated, my friend. So you want to identify, is there someone out there who is solving a problem for a specific person and getting paid? If you can identify that there, you're on to a winner, my friend, okay? So these were the 5 P's, okay? And this is how you're going to find and finalize your micro niche that you're going to build your whole limitless lifestyle business around, okay? So you want to have a passion that solves a problem for a specific person, and the industry has to have potential, so it's on the uprise, and people have to be willing to pay money to solve that problem, my friend. This was a short video, and it's really an exercise for you. I don't really want you to move any further until you've really pondered on these ideas, taken note, and taken this seriously, because if you can identify these things, you're in to making a lot of money, my friend, okay, if you do things right. So identify the 5 P's for yourself. What's that going to be for you? The passion. What problem are you going to solve for people? What's the specific person you're going to solve it for? Is there potential for it? And are people paying money to solve that problem? Okay. And like for us here at CarmenLimitless.com and inside the Team Limitless Hub, the passion here for me is really affiliate marketing and building a business online. The problem we're solving is the education system is broken. Okay. The person that we're solving it for is for students and working class people. Is there potential in the online education space? Huge potential. It's on a booming industry. And are people willing to pay for that there? People are willing to pay a fortune to get educated, my friend. And you got to identify this for yourself. And once you've identified these 5 P's, you've got yourself a super highly profitable micro niche that you can build your limitless lifestyle business around. Hope you like this video, and like I said, this wasn't my ideas. I learned this from Sid's, and it's really, really important, and it's a super important step that we needed to put in here for you to help you progress further into the program and be able to do what you need to do, my friend. I'll see you in the next video, and have a great one. Make sure and do this exercise for yourself, and below, leave me a comment below if you want. Write down what your passion, problem, persona, potential, and payment is. So write in what your passion is, your passion topic, what problem are you going to solve, who's the people you're going to solve it for, and then is there a potential in that market? So do your research and see, and or how much are people willing to pay to solve that problem, okay, my friend? And once you do that there, leave me a comment below, and I'll see you in the next video. Have a great one.